Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to HMD Fusion. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. Now select whatever you want to in this window and tap on your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HMD. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!